Hi YouTube, today I'm going to show you how you can properly clean your iPod Touch, 4th generation or any generation. To start off, you'll need to have some I haven't brought them with me today, I'm sorry, but what you'll need is some fairy liquid and glass cleaner and some water. Now put them all into a pot like this, and then get a spoon and give it a good stir. That'll do. And then you'll need a paintbrush. Any paintbrush will do, as long as it's got a really thin tip. For me, just to be really safe, I've got my cover and keeping it on because it touches the screen, so it won't let it run down and go into all the sockets. So with your paintbrush, you want to dip it into your mixture. Dab it against the edges and wipe it on your iPod. All over it. And make sure the metal bit doesn't touch the edge. So now once you've done that, you want like a fibre cloth, not the one that they give you. So I've got my sleeve here, it's nice and like soft, so it won't damage the screen. And just wipe the screen down, up and down. And you can use tissue if you want, but I wouldn't trust it. And then you take off your cover, like so, and you keep on doing that. So it's really, really clean. And then to do the back, you do the same. You get like a nice soft place to put your iPod. I'm going to put it on this cushion because it's nice and soft, so it doesn't scratch the screen. So I'm doing it again. And if you don't want to get close to the socket set, you don't have to. But then you basically go up and down, and then basically wipe it down. See, once you've done, you get cloth by both ends, and you rub it together like that. Just rub it, rub it, and rub it. If you do this and your iPod then suddenly doesn't start to respond, just send me a comment, and I'll put a video on how to properly do it. But if it's all the controls, so the touch screen doesn't work, the off button, home button, volume button, and it says your headphones in when it isn't, then send me a comment and I'll fix it. I'll put a video on how to fix it. But if yours just doesn't start to respond, like your home page, like your home button and touch screen don't work, just leave it out in the sun for about half an hour, not too long, and then go back to it and it'll be fixed. Well, it should be fixed. If it isn't fixed, send me a comment and I'll fix it. I'll put a video on how to fix it. So that's basically it. Now your iPod is all shiny. That's how you do that. If you want any other information, like the banana one, or the teardrop, or the eye drop one, just leave me a comment or post to my hotmail address at thomas.davies1999@hotmail.co.uk, and I'll put a video up. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.